Welcome to another video on my driving robot Discovery made of fischertechnik, which runs on Linux on this TXT controller, programmed in Python using user or the community firmware, but now I'm focused on getting it connected using Bluetooth. Using Linux on here and Linux on my computer, I hope I can establish a different connection than usually the case with Wi-Fi. So let's see how this ends up this time. Alright, so now the point is with looking at the screencast, I have this terminal for making an SSH connection, which is Wi-Fi. ROBOPro, USB, wireless, Bluetooth, TXT controller, and Bluetooth. So you can see Wi-Fi is using 8, which I have here. Bluetooth is using 9. Does it make a difference? I don't know. This Bluetooth being active, then I do need to verify that Bluetooth is active on the controller. And yes, it has the Bluetooth sign right here. Then last time I made it fully functional. I do need this one. So this is kind of working, it seems. Now the question is, of course, does this one work? Last time I got a message which I misunderstood, but this should be working now. That is no. Okay, it cannot connect. Can it through Bluetooth? So what can I do here? Well, it is paired. Trust, info, robotics, yes, network, wireless, yes, paired, trusted, and the rest, audio gateway, network access point, serial port, etc, etc. This says it should work. Connect. Will it work now? I have my doubts. No, it won't. Okay. Or better, not okay. If I change this to Wi-Fi, assuming that Wi-Fi has a connection here. Yeah, it does. Okay. And now it connects. This is what I want. So why does it not connect using Bluetooth? Do I miss something? I'm absolutely not sure. Now I can, of course, take this one as well. This is without a doubt VNC, virtual network computing. Yep, there you go. Connection failed. Really? Operation currently not available. No registering agent. Again. So what is the point of BT agent when I'm not getting a connection? Let me find that one out. Alright, so the BT agent is a manager or a program to manage incoming Bluetooth requests. So since this is running on my laptop, it manages the requests that are coming from anything Bluetooth outside the laptop, in this case, because of this, from the controller, the TXT controller. That's the only thing it does. So, other question is, connection apparently fails despite it being fully connected, fully paired. Send a text note. Will it appear anyway? Could not activate remote pair. Aha. So what's the use of Bluetooth then? Device. No, it's the same thing. It is fully trusted. I get my info. Although that is of course coming when managing the Bluetooth device. But I can't connect. And this is absolutely via Wi-Fi. And you can see the Bluetooth icon here. So what's the use of it? Apart from connecting and pairing. So Bluetooth, okay. And then, well, this program obviously runs on the laptop, not on the controller. So if it can't connect here, it won't be able to connect here either. Bluetooth communication setting. First open a program file, okay. Okay. I've opened just a program file. Next. Scan. Yeah, but the point is, this text has I think this feature has not been updated since the TX controller, which is the predecessor of this one. So first you had the TX controller and then you had the TXT controller. And really, this is not nice. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. There's no use to go on with this, which is sad. Not nice anyway. Yeah. Properties, doesn't matter. Well, I didn't write this, or did I? Not sure. I go to the internet. It's called Discovery FTC, and yeah, well, whatever. That's not. This is not the focus. This is the focus, and it doesn't work. Okay, after some searching on the community forum of fischertechnik. It turns out that I'm not the only one with some problems using Bluetooth. And there's another thing. If I pull this one a little bit backwards, see here, USB camera. Because I am using Linux for ROBOPro. Well, Linux as an operating system. ROBOPro is a Windows-based, Windows-written system, which means I have to use Wine, Windows emulator, and I am not able to run or to use the camera, because if I do, I get this, and any other attempt to Bluetooth edit, oh, that's that one, view, nothing, okay, any other attempt to view the camera live is only possible using either the TXT control app on iPad or Android, or use Windows on here. So my suspicion is that what I want to do is only possible using Windows, whichever version that may be. Then another option would be using one of the Bluetooth apps, but it doesn't pair. I've tried it before, you've seen it, it doesn't work. Not the way I want to anyway. So, because cannot be expected and will not be expected, I've talked to him in the past, to the developer of ROBOPro. He says there's no interest, there was no interest, there will never be interest for a Linux version. So, so much for attempts to get things connected, although it does pair. That's not the problem. The problem is getting data over. And, well, this works, although it's one way. And that's it. So, if I now go here, and this is Wi-Fi, not Bluetooth. Going further, I can use USB. I can only connect and will not see this. If I use USB, it will notice that there is a controller present. And that's it. So why doesn't it go with Bluetooth? That I can only guess, unfortunately. So with this, this is of course a driving robot, not a walking robot. So my walking robot with Bluetooth has no use. To try again, it won't work. This brings me back to other experiments. So this is a disappointing result. I really had hoped for something better because it's connected, but let me test that everything else works, and for that I'm using ROBOPro over wireless Wi-Fi. Opening the test interface, and then I have to be careful not to use the wheels, because then it will drive out of scope. But let's see, this is going to, no, certainly not. This one, where does it go to? Oh, here. This is motor 3. So I have to... It doesn't do a thing. Yeah, now it does. Okay. And then the other one, the propeller is motor 4. Yep, there it goes. So that all does work. Let me stop the lamp. Alright, so this one will never work. This one works, and this one works, and I can see that on screen. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to give the video a thumbs up. And click a bell if you see one to get notified for any of my videos. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show support by becoming either a patron or donate via PayPal or IBAN. This, well, the videos on the TXT controller with this one, with the driving robot, will continue. For now, stay safe, have a nice day, take care. Please visit my website for more of my experiments. Bye bye.